You could be honest with yourself. Like if you're churning through those Apex accounts, if you're on 1,000 PAs, like you're not ready for a live account. I'm sorry. You're not.
So do you feel like a lot of people are probably just tilting out because they're over position sized, or they're just not setting close enough stops, or like should most people trade micros instead of the E-minis?
Especially with Apex, man, they're running those 90%. You're getting the accounts for $15. Mm-hmm. These people are full margining and hedging. They're going, okay, NQ longs, NQ shorts, full margin, and they're trying to get funded. Mm-hmm. I didn't get funded like that, and I don't agree with that at all. You should treat that account the same way that you would treat your live account, the same way. Right. Or you're creating bad habits for yourself.
So you're seeing that now as you've made it to a live account. Some of those rules are starting to disappear, but you're still managing risk the same way?
Of course. With more freedom, there comes a lot more responsibility.
Right.
I promise you, I'm telling you right now, I'm still trading micros in my live account.
Got it. Nice.
I traded 4 micros today on NQ. 4.
Yeah, 4.
I made 2.5K.
Yeah.
That's plenty for me. I'm good.
Add to it. Yeah, that's right.
You know?
So the difference now with a live account is that with those risk parameters being a little bit less of a deal, you're still managing, some kind of consistent returns. But then how do payouts work on the live accounts now?
So for me, like for Alpha Prime, I think it's bi-weekly.
Okay.
And but you're not understanding is that the scalability with them is that he wants to take, his name is James. He wants to take me to like 7 figures.
Right.
And he's been amazing to me. Like
less payouts, just keep building the equity.
I want to make this account astronomical, huge.
Right. Yeah.
And the only rule that they do have is the daily loss limit, which isn't bad at all.
Yeah.
It's literally, he just doesn't want you to I was asking him, I was like, is there a chance where when I get a buffer on the account, so I could, for me, especially with Apex, is that when I get a buffer on the account, I could then risk a little more because now the account's static. There's no more trailing drawdown for me. Right. I got past that when I made $2,600.
Yeah.
Now there's over 20 grand in the account, but I'm still risking micros. I'm not taking minis.
Yeah.
I'm still remaining, I'm keeping the same risk that I had. Like when you have that buffer, now people risk, they're putting on huge size.
Yeah.
I'm not doing it.
They want a huge win in a single day. Yeah, you're keeping it consistent.
Now you're crushing your consistency rule.
That's right.
There is no consistency rule in a live account.
Yeah.
There's none.
Right.
And
interesting.
Whole different. You have to get yourself ready for that. And I was ready for that when I got the call up to them, and I was like, I could really take advantage of this live account. And I wanted to be with a firm where they're giving me real life capital. This was a huge goal for me. I didn't care the amount of capital. I just wanted somebody to be like, listen, we're going to bring you up to the big leagues. You have a live account. That was amazing to me.